Hey guys and welcome back. I'm Kazamurdi and in this video I'm planning to talk about the setter in the Dart language. What exactly are setter? In the last video talk about how getter works and how can we use getter. And in this video we're planning to learn or I'm planning to teach you about how to use setter in the Dart. What exactly is setter? Sometimes we want to create write only variables in the class and we need to learn how to create one. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to create a setter, it's super easy. First, you need to write the what value you want to set. For example, first we need to write set as a setter, then write the name of property that you want. For example, age. Okay, I'm going to set an age value and let's actually make this age um, make this age private because we do not want to confuse this one with this one. So I want to set age over here and that's it. What it should do, it only take a value. Okay, so mm, value as an int, and after that we need to, for example, as I said before, set is very useful to validate our data. So if I want to set a data for our an age, we call it like this dot age, then sorry, age with underline, then we need to set this value to it. It is we use it as set like this. And if I want to change this age over here, I can call person dot age equal to, for example, 50. And if I want to print this, mm, actually we need to write another function because this age is private. We cannot access it or the class, but let me create another getter for this one. Say string get info, for example, which return a string, and what it return is a string with this one. Um, I'm I'm uh, then I'm an age years old. Okay, so if I want to print my own this one pre get info, they call person dot get info with this nothing at all, and to return this one. If I run this code, you will see that we have an error over here. It said that age is not available for getting. So if I run it again, you will see that I'm John, I'm 15 years old. So we were able to change the age as you see before. But if we want to get this age like before, for example, if I want to get an age directly from over the class, you'll see that there is an error because age doesn't have a setter, sorry, getter. It's only set the data over here. And if you want to add the getter, you need to use get. First, you need to write the value it wants to get age. What it return should be underline age. That's it. So if you add it like this, you will see that the error was gone from here. And as I said before, the most valuable part of getter or setter, or most useful part, is validating our data. For example, if in the value that we receive from this function is less than 0, then we should not add this one. If you add this one, the whole code would be ruined and it's not useful for us at all. So there is a problem for our code or the user that want to use this code. So for we need to throw an error. Okay, for example, we need to throw an error exception which return the value is not value is not correct, or the age is not correct, and I think the new is not necessary anymore. Sorry for this part. And if I run this code, you will see that nothing happens because right now the age is correct. But if you want to change this age to -5, you will see that something really happened in the console, and there's an exception which we have thrown over here. So if the value is less than 0, then there should be an exception in the console, so the whole program should crash. If it continues, there will be definitely some problem to the result of our program. And I think that's enough for the setter. And if you like my videos, please consider leaving a like, or even if you encourage any problem, please comment your problem in the comment in the section below. Thank you for watching and happy coding.